Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to get all sizes paper on Microsoft Word document. So for example, sometimes we need A4 size paper, letter size, A5, B4, so all type of paper. So how can you get this option? So first of all, you have to open your Microsoft Word document, then simply click here layout, and then here you can see the option size. Simply click on the size, then you'll get here a lot of by default paper size. For example, if you click tabloid, then you can see like this. If you click legal, so it's more height. If you want executive, so you'll get all the A3, then A4, so all type of paper you'll available here. So you can choose according to your requirement, or you can also get the custom page setup here. So it's really easy, friends. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.